So to pair up your phone to the vehicle, the way you do that is turn the ignition on, pop your code in to authorise that it's you. There we go. Then press any button 7 times to cycle the ignition off and on. We'll get 7 bleeps. There we go. Now the system's discoverable. So we're going to the Starline key app. Pops up in the list. Starline i96. Tap on that. The password for it is 06 times. Press OK. And we'll hear a bleep from the unit. There we go. So you can pair up to 5 phones to this. So now this phone's paired, you can grab another phone, pair it up. But we only have 1 in this instance. So now when we turn the ignition off, you'll see we get 1 bleep to confirm 1 phone. There we go. And now we'll turn the ignition on. You see the app update with the green circle. There we go.